Hello, Amir here. This is an Excel file, and I have developed a very highly automated, dynamic, and interactive dashboard based on this Excel file. It is a sales data. It is a sample data, and we have different columns like date, region, product, quantity, unit price, store location, customer type, discount, percentage, salesperson, total price, payment method, promotion, returned, 0 or 1. 1 means return, order ID, customer name, shipping cost, order date, delivery date, and region manager, the name of the salesperson or sales manager. So this is our data set, and it is comprised of 1500 rows, right? So uh, this is that dashboard. How it works: when we open the file, it does not require any web hosting. It does not require any domain name, anything. That we get through by paying money. That is not required. Only development of this dashboard. We choose Excel, so it is scalable. We can choose any Excel file based on the same column structure, and it populates the whole dashboard. It gives the KPI cards, the total revenue, the total number of orders, average orders per day, total quantity sold, average order value, average discount, return day, return rate, total shipping cost, average delivery days, top region, top product, top salesperson, right? We have the different charts which are very dynamic, right? You can see this is zoomable chart. We can zoom it, we can reset the zoom, we can see it for day, month, year, everything. And this is the promotion impact on revenue. This is pink one is the uh, non-promoted, and blue one is the promoted revenue. And at the bottom we have the filtered data, right? We can apply several filters, and that is where this dashboard becomes dynamic. We have preset filters like today, right? Yesterday, this week, this month, since all the data in this sample is in the year 2023, 24, 25. So right now we are in 2026, so there is no data for today, yesterday, or this week, this year, etc. Right? We can set predefined dates over here uh, in from and to. We can filter by region. We want to filter by region, right? We can add multiple filters also. We can remove the filters, and everything is dynamic. It updates automatically. All the charts are updated automatically, and we can apply multiple filters. We can filter it by store location. We can filter it by sales manager. We can filter it by product, right? We can apply multiple filters. And all the applied filters, they appear over here. We can reset all the filters. Now all the charts they can be drilled down. Like for example, if we want to see only the data for store D, we can apply filter from here, but as well we can click in this, and all the data is now showing up for store D, and the filter is already applied, as you can see, right? Similarly, we can drill down data for any product. For example, we only want to see the for the laptop. So now this is total revenue, $1.97 million, and the whole dashboard is updated for laptop. And we can export as PDF so that we can print it for record purpose. All the dashboard without the data table is converted to filter, converted to PDF. This is the filtered data. Uh, we can set number of records per display or screen. We can export as CSV file also that we can print, or we can do for further data analysis. We can select which columns to select, and there are so many other features in this dashboard also which needs to be explored. So this is highly automated and highly dynamic system. We can further customize it as required. Thank you.